Classroom controversy is not dying down. The fight to teach an advanced placement African American studies class takes a new twist. The state school superintendent now says that the class may break the law. That's after he decided to pull the plug on state funding for the class just as classes resume. Fox 5's Kevin Stewart is live in Carrollton with more. Kevin?
Tom, it's been a little bit more than a week since this story first broke, and all the while, there's been a lack of clarity on why the state decided to make this move. Now, today, after much pressure, we know why. Governor Kemp jumped into the AP African American Studies controversy when he was out of the country. He sent this letter to the state school superintendent with a list of questions. At a school district event in Carrollton Wednesday morning, the governor said his questions were clear.
Very clear, because I feel like when you're going to make, if you're going to make changes to something like that, especially right before the school year starts, there needs to be transparency. We're continuing to kind of monitor the situation.
Without saying if he was satisfied with all the answers.
Stan DeJarnett, the chairman's been involved too, and so I feel good about the conversations that they're having. I don't want to say too much till we get the rest of the information.
A few hours later, Woods released a new statement apologizing for the confusion. The superintendent now says the course violates the state's divisive concepts law. Quote, "It was clear that parts of the coursework did violate the law. As with most states with laws like Georgia on this issue that have raised concerns, the most glaring violation is on the topic of intersectionality."
And we're talking about College Board. We're not talking about some fringe group.
Rashad Brown is an AP African American Studies consultant with the College Board. He maintains the AP class is sound. As Fox 5 News has reported, Superintendent Woods has created a path to teach the AP content in a non-AP course with state funding. Brown calls the state's new path to teach the course sloppy and not a solution.
It doesn't address the problem. The problem is we need a course code that reflects AP African American Studies, where the students can have that visible on their transcripts. 1, 2, receive the appropriate weight increase for their GPA, and 3, be able to receive college credit.
All right, now Joe Griggs with the state NAACP says there is still a need for clarity. He wants to know, for instance, what is the issue with intersectionality? What is the problem with that? He says, bottom line, the state school board or the governor needs to make sure that class is available to students who want to take it. Reporting live in Carrollton, Kevin Stewart,
Yeah,
Fox 5
sounds like this is far from being worked out, Kevin. We'll stay on top of it. Thanks.